We've all heard it before. The ultimate paradox, the brain teaser of all brain teasers. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? It's puzzled philosophers, baffled scientists, and even sparked religious debates. But today we're going to break it down and take a closer look at this age-old question. Whether you're team chicken or team egg, stick around because you might be surprised by what we find. Let's rewind time about 2,400 years to the golden age of ancient Greece. Philosophers like Aristotle, the great thinker himself, weren't just pondering the meaning of life, they were also trying to crack the chicken or egg puzzle. Aristotle believed the chicken and the egg were in a perpetual cycle, neither coming first nor last. He thought life itself was an eternal chain with no true beginning, just an endless loop. Not quite the answer we're looking for, but hey, at least we know even geniuses can get stuck. Now let's shift gears to the realm of religion and mythology, where divine intervention plays a big role in answering this question. Many creation stories from different cultures state that life was created fully formed. This means the chicken came first, straight from the hands of the gods or the universe. In the Christian tradition, for example, God created animals, including birds, so the chicken had to be there from day one, no egg required. Let's fast forward a few thousand years to the age of modern science. Charles Darwin and the theory of evolution completely changed the game when it came to questions like these. According to evolutionary biology, the egg came first way before chickens even existed. In fact, dinosaurs were laying eggs millions of years ago, long before any bird even took flight. So how did we end up with chickens? Well, over millions of years, tiny changes or mutations took place inside the eggs of pre-chickens. These mutations eventually led to what we now recognize as the modern chicken. Evolution isn't just about the animals we see on the outside, it's also about what's happening on the inside at the genetic level. The first true chicken came from a mutation, a tiny change in DNA that happened inside an egg laid by a bird that wasn't quite a chicken yet. This genetic mutation made that baby bird the first official member of the chicken species. So technically, the egg came first. A different species laid the egg that hatched the very first chicken. Just when we thought we had it all figured out, science threw us a curveball. In 2010, researchers found that a specific protein called OC17, which is only found in chicken ovaries, is essential for forming eggshells. Without this protein, eggshells wouldn't exist. And guess what? That protein is only produced by chickens. So doesn't that mean the chicken had to come first? Or maybe there was some pre-chicken laying eggs with a similar, yet slightly different protein? The plot thickens. So after all this exploration, do we finally have the answer? Well, that depends on who you ask. Philosophers, religious thinkers, and scientists all have their own unique takes, and each one makes a compelling case. Some say the egg came first thanks to evolution. Others argue the chicken had to be there first to make the egg. The truth is, the debate might never end, and that's what makes this question so fun to think about. Maybe it's less about finding the answer and more about appreciating the puzzle itself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you soon, here on Data Pursuit Squad.